Listen, I wanted to talk to you about the top 4 campaigns to get listings in today's market. Now, the number one way for you to get listings right now is to get what's called move-up buyers. The best way for you to get a seller is to pick them up first as a buyer. Now, the second one is going to be what we call our Just Looking program. How many times do you get leads and you call them up or you email them like, oh, we're just looking. We're not in a big hurry. Oh, well, you would be perfect for my Just Looking program. Let me tell you about my Just Looking program. We can get access to unlisted or pre-market homes, and you can just let me know when you're interested in anything that I send you. Number 3 is another great one, which I know you have in your area. Most areas do. New construction. A lot of people want to sell their home and move to a larger home or a new construction home. This is an opportunity for you where they're paying a bonus on your second or your third or your fourth client. And then the fourth one is the cash offers program. 9 out of 10, they're not going to take the cash offer, but that got you in the door and you got yourself a closing. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.